So we'll do first sip. Cheers, brother.
Cheers, bud.
God damn, bro.
Fuck yeah.
Virginia's for Grubbers. Here we are today. We are in Leesburg at Schmidt's BBQ. Schmidt's BBQ used to be 14 Loudoun.
Yeah.
Where they had like the pop-up bars, Christmas pop-up bars. So if you're in Leesburg, Northern Virginia, you've probably been here probably a couple dozen times.
Yeah.
Anyways, now they're only doing barbecue food, and they have an amazing cocktail selection, thanks to this young man right here.
Yeah.
If you want to introduce yourself.
What's up? I'm Richard. I'm the beverage director here at Schmidt's. Yeah.
The first time I met Richard, he was way cooler than that introduction right there. like talked for 3 hours straight.
Oh,
First
yeah.
time I met the guy. No, Richard is phenomenal mixologist here. Again, first time I met him, we talked like all
Yeah.
night, just kicked it about
fucking-
drinks, food and beverage,
Yeah.
bars,
Houses,
music, yeah, everything.
life,
yeah.
love, happiness.
We covered it all.
Yeah.
So I definitely wanted to come back here and do an old-fashioned review. We actually had some old-fashions that night.
Yeah.
They were, I don't want to say what they were yet.
Yeah.
But we can jump right into it. Richard, I'm assuming you've seen a couple of the episodes. We do ratings based off 4 things: appearance, first sip, overall taste, and overall ambiance of the restaurant.
Tight.
So first thing we do is appearance. Is that tracking? Oh yeah, there we go. Good.
Damn.
So again, if you watch Old Fashioned Friday before, you know single ice cube is like must. I like a nice big glass. I'm a big fan of Luxardo cherries. So this pretty much covers all bases of that. I'll let you give the appearance.
Yeah.
And then also when you prepare it, they do like, this is a smoked Old Fashioned.
Yeah.
So they have a nice little presentation, and I'm a sucker for that kind of like shit,
Yeah.
you know, like
Just that good shit.
yeah, you just open it up and it's just like
Yeah.
it just makes it look 10 times cooler when you're drinking it like, yeah, I'm about to drink that right there. That's my order.
It's like you drink with your eyes first. So.
Exactly. So what are you thinking? 0 through 3.0 on appearance. What are you giving your
Yeah.
own cocktail?
My own.
Yeah.
Definitely 3. No, I mean
Threes around the board.
I would say like I feel like I would go like 2, 4.
Whoa.
As I know that like a lot of people get really into the garnish of an old fashioned.
Okay.
But at the same time, like I feel like an old fashioned is like just an old fucking
Yeah.
cocktail. And
That's-
so it's like you shouldn't bouge it up. It's
Yeah.
like this is it.
I think that's a really low score. But I'm glad that you did it, because
Yeah.
now people at least know this guy's like being honest about
Yeah.
it. The only thing, I like a big glass. I don't know if it's like a man thing where you're just
Yeah.
like holding like a fucking like
Chalice.
yeah, you know what I mean? I don't know if that's it. That's the only thing.
Yeah.
Other than that, you got the single cube. I don't care if you have a Luxardo cherry. That's a plus. If you don't, I don't really care. It is an added bonus to me.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't need like all kind of. I
Yeah.
don't need a Christmas tree on top of it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like keep it clean, keep it classic. So
Yeah.
I'm gonna go 2.8 off appearance. Again, if the glass was big, it would probably be like perfect.
Yeah.
So we'll do first sip. Cheers,
Tight.
brother.
Cheers, bud.
God damn, bro.
Yeah.
It's so smooth. Like that's the biggest thing for me.
Yeah.
Like, you know, I don't want to feel like I poured gasoline down
Yeah.
my throat.
Mhm.
You know, like we just did with that shot of Tito's. You know? Like, this is
yes.
this is super smooth.
Yeah.
Wow, man.
Yeah. I feel like I want an old fashioned where I feel like I could drink 10 of them.
Yeah.
No problem.
I could. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is that. This is definitely that. First sip, I'm gonna go high. I'm gonna let you give your score,
Yeah.
but I'm gonna go 2.9. 2.9
Yeah.
off first sip. What are you thinking?
I hate
Give
I
me
want to
your-
say
yeah, right.
I want to say 2.9.
Yeah.
I want to say 2.8 just to take
Right.
my bias a little out.
Yeah,
but at
okay.
the same time, I'm just like, fuck.
It's good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Next thing we do is overall taste. So as we continue to drink these, I guess you can tell us how you got into starting mixology
Yeah.
and got into doing this. Like just a brief intro on that.
Yeah, I mean, I feel like I've always worked in some sort of beverage world. Like I've done coffee for several years, and I started working at a music venue that was just kind of volume bar, where it's just like pump out Jack and Cokes like it was
Yeah,
nothing.
yeah.
But I felt like I started thinking of like, oh, cool, like I really love cooking, I love coffee, it mixes so much shit, and it's like in like spirits world, there is so much shit that you can mix. It's
Sure.
like there's a whole flavor profile.
Yeah.
And so I just started getting really into that, and I was kind of doing home cocktail bartending, but like at night I would just do like home dive bar shit.
So how long have you been doing that? Just kind of experimenting and stuff.
Experimenting about 4.5 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Mm-hmm.
That's awesome. But again, it's just there's no burn. It's smooth.
Yeah.
I don't know what the hell you did. I make these at home all the time. Under the word, like my shit is like
Yeah.
a 4 flat tops at home. Right? Like
Yeah.
like it's bad.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Overall, I'm gonna go 2.8. What are you thinking?
Yeah, I'll meet you.
2.8?
2.8.
Okay, I never remember any of my scores. I just add it up in post. Sometimes I even struggle adding it up in post. So
Yeah.
we're gonna leave that go. But last is 0 through 1 on overall ambiance. I've been here before. The service has always been great, and the vibe here. Whenever I came here, you know, when it was the pop-up bars has been great. So, yeah, we're gonna go full 1 on the overall service and ambiance.
Yeah.
If you rated yourself a full 1, that would be like super biased and like, So I'm giving him a full 1 for him and myself as well. Again, Schmidt's BBQ. It's right downtown Leesburg, Virginia. Anything else you want to throw in about the food itself? Because again, I don't really know a ton about.
Barbecue.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like true and through smoked barbecue.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean back there we have like our 4-drum smoker. Everything sits on there from anything from 12 to 24 hours, and
Wow.
yeah, then just kind of gets plopped on a platter. And we have some sick house-made sauces. Every sauce is house-made.
Wow.
Yeah,
Sick.
and so get a flight of that.
Cool. Again, Schmidt's BBQ, Leesburg, Virginia. We're out here. Richard, I appreciate you, bro.
Okay, Jay.
Cheers, man.
Cheers, bud.
That's it.